Hello everyone, my name is Namrata Ahuja and I am pursuing PGDM from FMS IRM Jaipur. Today I am going to talk about the large retail industry. So without any further delay, let's talk about it. Is the average Indian consumer retail ready or is retail readying the Indian consumer? For this, let's understand about retailing industry. Retailing encompasses the business activities involved in the selling goods and services to consumer for their personal, family or household use. Retailing is the largest stage in distribution process. As retail industry has presently emerged as one of the most dynamic and fast-paced industries, so their impacts are new technologies are improving retail productivity. Many MNCs are eagerly looking into the Indian market, affluent upper middle class population and high GDP growth rates. Now coming to SWOT analysis of retail industry. Strengths are brand images, customer loyalty, good services to the customer. Weaknesses are high staff cost, high rental cost, low future growth. Opportunities are increased product offering, co-branding locations. Threats are security, labor cost, increasing competition from offline players. Now coming to questions. Question first. Reason of these growth mentioned in the case. Reasons that are mentioned in the case are firstly as the consumer are ready to spend and even more during festive season which help them in their growth. Secondly, discount attracts the people to purchase the retail product without thinking that the retailer is imposing even high cost on their products. Next, impact of COVID-19 on large retails. Main and large impact of COVID is on food and cinemas will be last to revive at shopping centers which will be challenged as they are the largest footfall in the malls. Food and fashion retail will take a year to revive. More than 95% of non-food retailers has their shops closed in the lockdown and are looking at practically no revenues till the lockdown is in place. It can be seen that because of the curfew and lockdown, large outlets are not allowed to operate in residential localities, but small or local shops are allowed to work only for necessary items. But, however, due to the disruption of supply chain and inventory management these days by both big stores or local shops, both of them suffer when the inventories are stocked out. Now coming to the conclusion. The retail industry are not run for 2 to 3 months. The people are suffer who purchase the products only for the large retail stores and mostly the customer of retail industry are not to come and buy the products from the large retail stores. Thank you.